As far as any support, you can click the support button and actually send them an email right there. I forgot to mention that.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am come back again with a new appsumo module review. Today I will discuss very useful and attractive tools for privacy tools. Within these tools you can easily access any streamlined service, website and geo-restricted content with a user-friendly VPN service and protect your data from hacker. This tools is Goose VPN tools. Basically these tools browse the web anonymously and protect your data with a secure VPN service. Okay, firstly I want to say what is Goose VPN tools. Goose VPN is a secure VPN service that let you browse the internet anonymously with protecting your data. If you are a crypto marketing agency and solopreneur, this tools best for you and best alternative to NordVPN. What is NordVPN tools? We all know that NordVPN is one of the best VPN service. Since Goose VPN tools come in the market as alternative to NordVPN, I think these tools must be good for you and you can try this. And this price is $19. If you want to get discount Goose VPN tools, you will buy Goose VPN tools to give my link. In that case, you can get 10% discount. I will give Goose VPN buying link in the description box below. Goose VPN guarantee that you will have a secure connection so you can stay safe from hacker and protect your online privacy and internet security. That means you can hide your browsing history, download and sensitive information while you are online. Now I will show you how to use Goose VPN tools and how to protect your online privacy and internet security. I hope you will get idea about this tool, so let's go and see.
Okay, Goose for Windows. Let's see. Do you use Goose on the Windows operating system? Yes, there's a big download software button. Here's where you get the Mac, the iOS, and Android versions. I would assume, yeah, it's telling you to go to Google Play. There's a download link for the Mac. So if you're using Windows, click on that button and download the software right there. And just save it anywhere. Once it's finished downloading, you can open it up here, or you can just go to wherever you downloaded it and open it up there. Let's take a look. I'm going to choose English. Okay, I'm just going to hit next on through, accepting the license agreements, and you can choose where you want to install it here if you want. I'm going to remove some of these checks, and I'm also going to leave the Windows Firewall exception checked. That's a good thing. And once it's done, you can leave the Launch Goose VPN button checked and click on Finish. And this is what it looks like. Here's the app itself. So let's see what we do. We can log in with our email address and the password that we just made. Alright, so here we go. Your connection is not secured yet. Traffic limit's the 50 gig limit that we have here for the $2.99 account. It's giving me my current IP. And let's see what this button is. Okay, these are all the server lists, all the different server locations. Let's check out a little bit more first. What's this? 5 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes. Not really sure what that does. Okay, what's this? Little guy here. Okay, it takes you to your account page basically. It tells you when your subscription ends and your traffic consumption and all this stuff. Okay, I don't need to see any of that yet. What about the little gears button? Okay, so here's the settings menu. In the general tab, you can have it minimized to system tray and not close. You can have it give you a reminder when it's not connected while Goose VPN is minimized every 15 minutes. So that's in case you forget to secure yourself, it can remind you. Start Goose VPN at launch. Okay, so that's when your computer starts up. You can start Goose as well. And the default language and support ticket allows you to provide debug data. Okay, your account. All right, all that good stuff. We can leave that alone. Let's see connection. Connect to VPN automatically. Connect to your favorite server from the list. So these are different options you can do. And then the protocols. It's got IKEv2 for faster, better, compatible for more devices. And there's also OpenVPN. So you have the option of choosing either one of those protocols. I'm going to leave it on this for right now while we do the test, and I'm going to save it. And let's go ahead and pick a server now. There's all the US servers at the bottom, then the UK, all of these here. Let's do something from Finland. I haven't done Finland before. And after that, I'm going to choose to click on that button. I'm going to go ahead and connect. Okay, now that it says we're connected, let's test that out. I'm going to go to a website called ipleak.net, and we're going to see where our IP address shows that we're coming from. So it's doing its little test. Okay, and there it is. It's showing we're coming out of Finland from several different servers. There we go. It's even got a map for us. How about that? That's what we want to see. That's telling us that we're masking our connection. Okay, another test that I want to do is a test over here on test-ipv6.com. It's going to kind of show us some similar info. Here it says that we're coming out of Finland as well, and that's what we want to see. So this site also thinks we're coming out of a different location. Here's a couple more things for those of you who want to see some of those statistics. That's pretty good. That's what we want to see. Last test I want to do is dnsleaktest.com. Alright, and here we are. It's showing that we're coming from Finland over here as well. Now, let's do an extended test. What a DNS leak test is going to show us, if every time you go to a website like yahoo.com or something, your computer has to translate that into an IP address to actually reach the site. And it does this by making a connection with the DNS server. And in that process, some VPNs don't mask that connection, thus it can give away your location. And here it's showing that we're still coming through the Netherlands from several different server queries. So that's good. That's just what we want to see. What about speed? Let's try just going to YouTube real quick. Let's see what kind of speed we have. I'm going to pick one of these. Let me mute it. I'm just going to skip around a little bit. It looks like it's buffering just fine. Yeah, it's doing just fine. Let's see, it's on 1080p. So it's giving me high quality 1080p video as fast as I need it. Good stuff. I'd say the speed is excellent. So let's go back and check out the account page here. And this basically will, this is our dashboard right now. We can click the download button and get to the actual software for any of our devices. And on the support link here, there are a couple of links at the bottom if you're running into any trouble. And let's see what else. You can click on this up here and go to settings, and this is where you can change your account info, cancel your subscription, and even at the bottom you can change your password. So that's pretty straightforward. As far as any support, you can click the support button and actually send them an email right there. I forgot to mention that. And that's about it. Goose VPN also has a blog which features industry news, helpful guides, and company updates. It's definitely one of the more interesting and informative blogs from VPN providers that I've seen during my time reviewing VPNs. In the end, Goose was very easy to install and use. I had no problems figuring out the software. It's also great they have a 30-day free trial that definitely scores them some points. I did like the fact that they have over 22 different server locations to choose from. And another good thing about Goose VPN was that they allow you to use unlimited devices with just a single subscription. The speed seemed to be just fine too with the default IKEv2 connection protocol. However, I only received mediocre speed when I selected the OpenVPN protocol. I didn't really like the fact that it allows you to change servers only when you're disconnected. And, all in all, it got the job done, but I do think you get quite a bit more from some of the other VPNs out there. I would have really liked to have seen maybe some kind of support ticket system if you have problems on the site, or a live chat service right there, but you can't always have everything. I give it a 3 stars out of 5, and I can recommend it to anyone looking for a really affordable VPN service without too many bells and whistles. For more great review videos, head on over to bestvpn.com, where you can find high quality and very detailed reviews of around 60 different VPN services.
Here you can see Goose VPN tools price and sales overview. It is a 5-star rating and so far 5 people review. Usually you can check whether a tools is good or bad. Some issue like how many tools have been sold, how the rating is, and the latest customer feedback. Okay guys, I am recording this video. Goose VPN deal have been launched on appsumo only one day ago. Within one day, these tools have gotten 5 people review and everyone is giving 5-star review. So I think these tools must be good for you, because when many people purchase these tools and give a good review, you can buy these tools without any doubt, because many people never take wrong decision. And this price is very cheap, only $19, and you have to pay at once. After that you can use these tools for the rest of your life. Buying these tools, what benefit will you get? It's given here. There are 3 plans available: license tier 1, license tier 2, license tier 3. When you purchase license tier 1, then you are getting 3 simultaneous device and unlimited bandwidth, and this price is $19. If you are a smaller, then you can purchase license tier 1, it's enough. If you need more simultaneous device, then you can purchase license tier 2 or 3. License tier 2, then you are getting 10 simultaneous device and unlimited bandwidth. This price is $39. Okay, license tier 3, then you are getting unlimited simultaneous device, unlimited bandwidth, and cyber alarm add-on. This price is $79. If you like and buy this product, just click here. If you want, you can buy these tools. After buying these tools, if you don't like it, don't worry about your money. appsumo will give you 60-day money back guarantee, so you can return it anytime. Future and attach these tools, it's given here. If you want, you can read this. Like over 100 server worldwide in 24 countries and all future server and iOS, Android, Macs, Windows, Linux, Android TV apps, all future apps. This tools is amazing tools to have so many topic in one tools. With Goose VPN, the cyber alarm analysis your activity and send real-time notification about the potential leaks like malware and virus. And you can change server location anytime and get instant access to website from around the world. Plan in future. The most important things, when you purchase Goose VPN tools from appsumo, then you will get in this benefit. Otherwise you will not get in this benefit. So I strongly recommended you must buy Goose VPN tools from appsumo. Okay, first condition is lifetime access to Goose VPN. When you purchase Goose VPN from appsumo, then you will get access to these tools. All future Goose VPN plan update, that means these tools are updated every few days. When these tools are updated, as soon as you will get access to these tools. Okay, ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tier. Okay, there are 3 plan available: license tier 1, 2, 3. When you purchase any plan, after buying a plan you want to change your plan, you can do it easily. Okay, 60-day money back guarantee. After buying these tools, within 60-day use, if you feel that these tools are not suitable for your use or you are not getting benefit mentioned here, so you can return it anytime. Lastly, I want to say Goose VPN let you access any geo-restricted content while securing your data from tracking, monitoring, and hacking. You want to know more about these tools? You can see the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video, and next time I will come again with another deal.